Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Efuru. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer, and I am in the shade Maple. So if you would like to see how beautiful this new concealer applies, please keep on watching. I'll be using my concealer for all over today, all over my face. I'm not gonna be using a foundation today with this concealer, as I wanna see how it really works by itself. But I am gonna first use my primer, as I already moisturize. You always moisturize your skin, no matter if you have oily or dry skin, always moisturize your skin. So I already done so using my Sephora moisturizer, and for primer I'm gonna be using my Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. And if you are new to my channel, I did a full review on this wonderful primer, and I'm gonna leave a link at the top if you're interested in checking it out. I'm just gonna do a natural quick look, as I am going to Sephora to check out some new release products that I've been really excited about. And your primer is just the base of your makeup. I am in the shade Maple. And concealers are used for multiple reasons. One is to conceal and hide dark circles. The other reason is also for brightening and highlighting certain areas. The other reason you can use a concealer for, you can also use a concealer as a foundation. I also use my concealer sometimes over the lid as an eyeshadow primer. I use my concealer also to carve out my eyebrows. I'm doing eyebrows. I am gonna be using this concealer, like I said, for all over today as a foundation, as I want to see just really how it applies without mixing on top of a foundation, because I can come on here and put it over my foundation, but it doesn't necessarily mean that that's the same foundation you use. It might be a number of things, but I just want to use less products as possible, if that makes sense, so that way you can see properly really how it applies. Let me just zoom in a bit so you can see better. And as you see, it is just giving beautiful coverage. This is a technique for if you're just trying to get it done really quickly and you don't have time, or if you're not like a professional and you don't want to, you know, go through all of the different steps with the foundation and then the concealer. If you're a beginner, like I know when I was just beginning doing makeup, I definitely used my concealer as a foundation many times, and the first foundation that I started out using was like a concealer and foundation, so I was just really happy with that one. But nevertheless, it is blending out really beautiful, as you see. Super easy, really blended, natural coverage, if it isn't at all patchy and hard to apply. So as you see, it all applied beautiful. My skin is just seamless everywhere, and give it a really natural coverage under the eyes, on the skin, down the nose, around the mouth. I don't have any creasing so far. I'm gonna set my my concealer with my Becca Set and Refresh powder in the shade Golden Bronze. And if you are new to my channel, I'm gonna leave a link to this setting powder above. I'm gonna finish up with the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'll be back. As you can see, the concealer applied lovely just about everywhere. I don't have any creasing under the eyes. I don't have any separation on the side of the cheek, as I do usually get smile lines when I use some concealers. So that is usually one of my main concerns, that it does cover everything, that it doesn't crease, and that it doesn't get cakey. And this new Hourglass Airbrush concealer definitely did all of those things for me. This is also a waterproof concealer. I personally love waterproof concealers. If I have the cold and my eye is watering, I can still wear concealer. So this is just really lovely. It's absolutely nothing I can say bad about this new Hourglass concealer, but choose your right shade. I really hope this video is helpful to someone, and if there's anything at all that I didn't mention about this new Hourglass concealer, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click on my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.